Ghanaian hip-hop legend Obrafour has dragged award-winning Canadian rapper Drake to court for sampling his song without permission. The Ghanaian artist is suing him in a New York court, saying Drake infringed on his copyright when he sampled his song without seeking his approval. According to Obrafour, the Hotline Bling hitmaker and other defendants in the suit have greatly benefited from the proceeds of the song since its release. American rapper Kanye West has deactivated his Instagram page without any explanation. The rapper made this known in a post on his Insta story on Tuesday, sharing a snapshot of the deactivation page confirmation. Shortly after making this announcement, his page was deactivated. South Korean singer Moon Bin, a member of the K-pop boy band Astro, has died at age 25. His music label Fantagio announced this on Thursday. Members of Astro and fellow artists and staff at Fantagio are deeply saddened and shocked as we mourn, the label said in a statement on Thursday. The 25-year-old was reportedly found by his manager, who went to the singer's home on Wednesday evening because he was not responding to calls and messages. How do you remember Moon Bin?